This bird singing overhead is just one of the sweetest birds I have ever heard in my life. Listen to him.
If you walk over to him, go over there. Yes, and look. Feel?
This is hi. There's the nightclub there, and Armageddon right here, big
This
boss.
bird live in this tree. It sound like a Jan tree,
Mm,
but it sound like a king bird.
mm.
Huge tree, that's where they live. All you can see, you're supposed to have a nest up there.
What kind of tree is this? Guongo?
Guongo.
A guongo tree.
Huge plant. Overgrown.
Right outside our restaurant.
Right at the taste restaurant where you get this brown stew fish.
The best food anywhere.
Yeah, black of it, keep it locked.
Under the guongo tree. What's your phone number again, Armageddon?
303-6452.
Area code 876.
That's it.
Lock
Johnny
that
Armageddon,
down.
keep it locked.
Give him a call. Say, we want to come to Jamaica. Set me up them. And we will set you up in the gems of Jamaica. All right. The bird says, come on down.
He disguised himself.
Spirit says, come on down.
If you go out there and look again, just like how we search for the crocodile, go look for it. You gotta listen.